Hello everyone, you're highly welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Odesava. In today's video, I'll be sharing how I make this delicious spinach stew. When I prepared this spinach stew for my husband, he gave me 10 over 10 because it's that good. You can use this spinach stew to eat rice, you can use it to eat yam, you can use it to eat swallow. It's that delicious. I just finished cutting the turkey and sharki. I'll just wash it in a running tap water and place it in a pot. For the seasoning, I'll be using some seasoning cube, red onions, rosemary, some curry powder, salt, and I'll be adding some bay leaf and ginger and garlic paste. I'll just give it a good stir for all the ingredients to incorporate into the meat. Then I'll cover it for it to simmer. I'm just checking if the water is enough. The water from the meat is not enough, so I'll be adding extra water for the meat to cook very well. After adding the water, I'll just cover for the meat to cook very well. Let me introduce you to other ingredients. This is fresh tomatoes and shombo, fresh pepper, and this is fresh spinach. Now the meat is very well cooked. I'll just transfer it into this bowl, add some vegetable oil in the dry pot, then I'll start to fry the meat. I will allow the meat to fry till it's golden brown. These are some fresh spinach. I'm just going to chop it very well and nicely in this chopping board, and I will just set it aside. Our meat is very well fried. I will just remove it, then add some white onion. I will fry this onion till it's translucent. At this point, your kitchen should be smelling so good. Then I'll just add some thin tomato paste. I'll fry everything very well and nicely to remove the salt taste from the tin tomatoes. Then our blended pepper and tomatoes, I'll just pour it inside. Then I will stir fry everything together for about 10 minutes. Recipe is very simple and is very easy because you don't have to go through the stress of steaming tomato or parboiling it. Just pour it inside and start to fry. This is some scotch bonnet pepper that I just added. I'll just give everything a good stir. Then I will add the fried turkey. I will stir everything together very well and nicely. Then I will add the boiled sharki. I love eating sharki a whole lot. I don't know why. If you ask me why are you always using this to cook, I don't have anything to tell you, but I love eating it a whole lot. So I'll just add some meat stock to loosen the texture of the stew. I will stir everything very well and nicely. Then I'll taste for salt and some seasoning. Testing for salt and seasoning, the seasoning from the meat stock was not enough, so I'll just complete all my seasoning by adding some stock cube and salt. Then I will just give everything a very good stir. I've been watching my video, you will notice I love stirring and testing a whole lot. If you know you don't like testing your food when cooking, please call my number. I can come through for you. I can do anything for you. I can come to help you to test your food. These are some white rice. I'll be pairing the spinach with white rice. At this point, our stew is almost cooked. I'll be adding in the fresh spinach. In Nigeria, you can replace spinach with ugu leaf or pumpkin leaf. This food is very delicious and is highly nutritious. So I'll just allow it to steam for 5 minutes and that's it. Our food is ready. So if you have watched this video up to this point, I love you so much. I'm sending you lots of love, lots of light. For my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back. And if you have not yet subscribed, please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes like this. This is the final look. I'll see you in my next video. Much love. Bye.